Hey guys, so really quickly I just wanted to give you a really brief overview of your virtual lab that you're going to be doing today. So there is a video that I've linked in the assignment. Basically you're going to watch the video, and the teacher in the video, she's going to basically do the experiment, and you're going to record the results of her experiment. So this would be something that we could do, if we weren't virtual learning, but it is what it is. So basically you guys are going to be calculating net primary productivity. And just a review from our lesson that we should have just watched, the net primary productivity is the gross primary productivity minus the respiration. Okay, so what you're going to do is watch that video, and you're going to answer the questions here. And then for 8 and 9, it asks you the independent and the dependent variable. So just a reminder, the independent variable is the thing that I change. So it's what's being manipulated about the experiment. And then the dependent variable is what you are measuring. So it's what the scientist measures. And then the DO stands for dissolved oxygen level. And then you're going to fill in this chart. And then there are calculations that you have to do here, but it gives you the formula for each of the respiration rate, gross primary productivity, and all of that. So the formulas are here for you. Make sure that you just keep your units and you pay attention to what your units are doing. And then here's some more practice at the bottom. Again, all of the formulas that you need are located in this mini lab, but if you have any questions, just let me know, okay? And just shoot me an email, or we can go over this in class too when we meet again. But if you have any issues, send me an email, let me know. I can hop on Zoom and kind of take you through it. But if not, then this will be completely independent.